we all know that our world is facing through a disease known as COVID 19. It is also commonly called as coronavirus. It is an infectious disease causes illness. So, in December 2019, this virus was found in Wuhan City, China. There were higher cases in December 2019. But in India, it has arrived on February 2020. And after 1 year, the vaccine has been made. That is Covaxin and Covishield. It is our duty to get vaccinated with the both dose of vaccine.
Jai Hind, I'm Kirit Deepu Rawat. As we all know, the present situation going on higher and higher level, it's our duty to create awareness among people. Amid the second wave of COVID-19 pandemic, India is registering declining trends in the number of active COVID cases. With this, the recovery rate is continuously improving. However, several states and union territories are still registering a high number of cases. As the country is registering over 3 lakh recoveries daily from the past many days, the recovery rate has further improved to 82.27%. The Health Ministry has said over 3.56 lakh patients have recovered from this infectious disease within 24 hours. So far, over 1.90 crore patients have already recovered from this disease.
Jai Hind, I, Sergeant Vaibhav Bhattarai, present to give you the information about symptoms of COVID-19. COVID-19 affects different people in different ways. Most infected people will develop mild to moderate illness and recover without hospitalization. Most common symptoms: fever, dry cough, tiredness. Less common symptoms: aches and pains, sore throat, diarrhea, headache, loss of taste or smell, a rash on skin or discoloration of fingers or toes. Serious symptoms: difficulty in breathing or shortness of breath, chest pain or pressure, loss of speech or movement. Seek immediate medical attention if you have serious symptoms. Always call before visiting your doctor or health facility. People with mild symptoms who are otherwise healthy should manage their symptoms at home. On average, it takes 5 to 6 days from when someone is infected with a virus for symptoms to show. However, it can take up to 14 days. Thank you.
Jai Hind. I am Corporal Aditi Tripathi from 29 Uttarakhand Battalion, Shri Guru Ram Rai Public School, Bandal, Dehradun. Today, I want to tell all of you about some precautions and home remedies for COVID-19. As we all know that COVID-19 pandemic has been a part of our daily lives since March 2020. The disease causes respiratory illness like flu with symptoms cough, fever, and in more severe cases, it causes difficulty in breathing. COVID-19 virus may persist on surface for a few hours or up to several days. It may varies on the condition like temperature, types of surface, and humidity of the environment. So, if we want to know about the preventions, it is important to know how it spreads. Coronavirus is spread through contact with an infected person when they cough or sneeze. The disease can be spread from person to person through small droplets from mouth or nose when the person is COVID positive. Now, there are some preventive measures that you can take and follow regularly to take yourself free from coronavirus, like wash your hand, use sanitizer, use mask, avoid touching your face, nose, mouth, avoid crowded areas, stay at home, avoid contact with a person having respiratory symptoms, cover your mouth and nose when you are sneezing or coughing, stay well hydrated, seek for medical help when you feel sick. If you have mild symptoms, stay at home until you have recovered. You can relieve yourself if you rest and sleep, keep warm, stay hydrated, drink plenty of liquids like water with the glow stick, take hot shower or steam, eat fruits like kiwi, grapes, sweet lemon, etc. Try to take coconut water once a day. Do breathing exercises like pranayam, anulom or vilom, etc. Drink healthy milk. Do betadine gargle thrice a day. Zinc, vitamin C, and vitamin D is essential for recovering from this. Take nutritious diet and stay home, stay safe, stay positive and stay strong. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind everyone. To protect yourself and others around you by knowing the facts and taking appropriate precautions of COVID-19, today I, Sergeant Vinayak Singh, is going to tell you about some main precautions and steps of COVID-19 coronavirus disease. Step 1. Clean your hands often by using soap and water and an alcohol-based sanitizer. Use mask when physical distancing is not possible. Maintain a safe distance from anyone who is sneezing and coughing. Do not touch your eyes, nose, mouth. Cover your nose and mouth with your bent elbow when you cough or sneeze. Stay home if you feel unwell. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
I am Khalid Bababist. As we all know that COVID-19 is still going on and it becomes a trajectory that is difficult to predict. Many type of viruses came in the world, but none like COVID-19 because it spreads to people very quickly. The government is making a lot of efforts on its behalf, but nothing will happen till we strictly follow the guidelines given by the government. COVID-19 has caused a lot of damage to our country and our life also. We are away from our friends, family, relatives, and loving ones. But this time, we don't have to give up our hope and patience. We will defeat this virus together. And those who died from COVID-19, may their soul rest in peace. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.